go. Let's draw another line on this side. So there you have it, a mortising gauge. Now, a lot of people are going to say, wow, that's not a really long mortising gauge. And that's because it doesn't need to be long. For 95% of everything you do in the shop, that is far longer than you need. Unless you're going to be getting into timber framing, rarely is your mortise or tenon going to be farther in than the 3 inches that this will reach into the board. So this is perfectly fine for most all joinery. I don't think I've done anything in the shop where I've needed a mortising gauge longer than this. And because it's not too long, with a marking gauge, you often have the tendency of bumping this or the leverage throwing this off, and it changes the measurement. With it being shorter, it's easier to control and easier to ride along there. So I kind of like this design. There are a whole bunch of different ways to make mortising gauges and marking gauges. This is just one that I like this design because it's quick and it's easy to put together. Most people can whip one of these out in a couple hours in the shop. You're not messing with trying to get the hole through or getting a pressure nut on there without crushing the beam. These are simple and easy to make if you mass produce them, but they're a little bit more difficult when it actually comes down to just making one. Whereas this is rather quick and easy. So I hope you like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas down below. Do you have anything you think I would do better next time or something I should try next time? I'd love to hear those. Also, if you do share this video, like, comment, subscribe, that really helps out the channel. So I think that's about it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I am going to name him Nicholas. That way I have a Nicholas gauge. National treasure, you know. Okay, never mind.